In this video, we're going to discuss why having good posture is important, how jumping rope helps you get good posture, and what jump rope moves you can do to help get better posture. So let's get started. Here are 7 reasons why you want good posture. Upright posture contributes to maintaining the natural alignment of the spine, which consists of 3 natural curves. By aligning the spine correctly, you will minimize the chance of developing spinal issues such as herniated disc, sciatica, and chronic back pain. Next, good posture ensures that the muscles around the spine, neck, shoulders, and hips are balanced, working well. By maintaining good posture, your muscles can distribute workload evenly, reducing muscle imbalances and strain on specific muscle groups. You'll breathe easier and get more oxygen if you have good posture. Proper posture allows your lungs to fully expand, making it easier to get enough oxygen. As a result of having good posture, blood vessels and nerves aren't constricted or compressed, promoting good circulation. Good posture leads to better biomechanics and movement efficiency, which means better physical performance. You can use this to enhance physical performance, whether you're playing sports, exercising, or just doing stuff around the house. Good posture makes you feel more confident, feel sexier. You project a positive image when you stand or sit tall with your shoulders back and your head held high. Alternatively, poor posture can make you look tired, slouched, and unconfident. When you sit or stand up straight, it makes you feel more confident and engaged, which can affect how you think, feel, and act. Good posture can prevent musculoskeletal problems like neck pain, shoulder pain, headaches, and joint pain. For instance, maintaining good posture when sitting can reduce pressure on the disc in your spine and allow them to function more effectively. The benefits of good posture extend well beyond your physical health, contributing to your overall well-being. In addition to improving mood and energy levels, it can also assist in reducing feelings of fatigue and stress. The alignment of your body can improve your focus and clarity of mind. A jump rope can improve your posture if you use the right technique and do the right exercises. Here's how you can use a jump rope to improve your posture. Get your posture right before you start jumping rope. Stand up straight with your head over your shoulders and your shoulders relaxed. Keeping your core engaged helps support your spine and keep your posture good. Pull your navel to your spine to contract your ab muscles. It'll stabilize your torso. Now let's get you the proper jump rope form. Pick up the jump rope, keep your elbows close to your side. Start jumping with a small bounce, keeping your feet slightly off the ground. Make sure you're moving the rope with your wrists and forearms instead of your entire arm. Pay attention to your body alignment throughout the jump rope session. Put your head in neutral position, not tilted to one side or forward. Relax your shoulders and don't round your upper back. Consider adding a few posture-specific workouts to add to your jump rope routine. I'll give you a few examples. First, we have the plank. Assume a push-up position with your forearms on the ground, your elbows under your shoulders, and your legs extended behind you. Maintain a straight line from your head to toe while engaging your core and glutes. Supermans. It involves lying your face down on the mat with your arms extended in front of you. Lift your chest, arms, and legs off the ground simultaneously while keeping your neck aligned with your spine. Hold for a few seconds, then lower yourself back down. Next, we have squeezing your shoulder blades. While standing or sitting with your arms at your side, pull your shoulder blades toward your spine by squeezing them together. Hold for a few seconds, then release. These exercises are the perfect complement to the jump rope, so you can have a little fun while improving your posture with jump rope tricks. Let's give you a few examples of tricks that can help enhance your posture. The first trick is high knees. Focus on engaging your core and maintaining upright posture throughout the exercise. This trick helps strengthen your hip flexors and encourages proper alignment of the spine. Next, we have jump rope squats. Squats help strengthen your leg muscles and promote good posture by engaging your core and maintaining an upright stance. Next, we have cross arms jumps. This trick challenges your coordination and helps improve your posture by engaging the muscles in your back and shoulders. Next, single leg jumps. This exercise improves balance, strengthens your lower body, and encourages proper alignment of the spine and hips. Next, we have the figure 8 jump. This trick engages your core and back muscles, helping to improve your posture and stability. Comment below with your favorite trick out of these 5. Now, before you try any of these advanced tricks, do make sure you have the basics down first. Now you want to check out this video right here, and it'll let you know how to do all the basics. Now you can also check out my podcast where I talk about how the jump rope contributes to many parts of your body. And as always, just start. We're about being perfect later. Peace.